In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right paper type for your self-published book on Kindle Direct Publishing, commonly known as KDP. Selecting the appropriate paper type is a crucial step in the publishing process as it affects the overall look and feel of your book. Whether it's a novel or a photo book, making the right choice can enhance your reader's experience and the book's aesthetic appeal. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to navigate to the Print Options section within your KDP account. This area is where you'll find various settings related to your book's print specifications. It's important to take your time here to ensure you make the best decisions for your particular project. Selecting the right paper is just one part of creating a print-on-demand masterpiece, but it's an essential one. After accessing the print options, you'll see an option to select the paper type. For most text-heavy books, you'll have the choice between white paper and cream paper. If you're publishing a novel, a memoir, or anything with predominantly text content, these are usually your go-to options. White paper is often more economical and is suitable for a wide variety of book formats. It provides a clean, crisp backdrop for text that can really make it pop. On the other hand, cream paper can offer a more traditional, softer feel. This can be ideal for literary works or anything where you want to give readers a sense of warmth and timelessness. Now, if your book includes significant visual content, such as photographs, illustrations, or any type of artwork, you will need to opt for the color paper type. The color option allows images to be printed in high definition with vibrant results that standard paper types may not capture effectively. This is perfect for children's books, cookbooks, graphic novels, or any project where the visuals play a central role in the storytelling or presentation. Once you've determined the best paper type for your book's specific needs, the final step is to save your choice. It's crucial to review your selection before moving forward to ensure that it aligns with your creative vision and the practical requirements of your project. After saving, you're set with the paper type that's best suited for your book. Remember, the decision on paper type can influence the overall aesthetic and perception of your book. So take your time to consider all these factors. Whether you choose white, cream, or color paper, each type offers unique benefits and will help to depict your work in the best possible way to your readers. Thank you for watching this tutorial on choosing paper type on KDP. Happy publishing!